Hello, hello. Welcome to the show or the content. I do want to start off a little bit different. Federal employee here. I want to pray for all of my fellow workers who have took an oath to serve the American people and who have lost their jobs. It's very scary out here. I do have a prayer that I say every day, and maybe this will help you with your journey. My prayer that I say daily is please, Lord, open my eyes to help me see my truth that's already in front of me. For the truth that I cannot see is the truth that I cannot be. Be true to who you are and who you're supposed to be. We all have a purpose. Ask the Lord every day to reveal your purpose in life. Everything's going to be okay. We're still here. Every day that you wake up, that means that you still have a purpose. All right. I'm so sorry with what's going on. Hopefully things get better. I do have a link. Should have showed you the video. This is on my channel as well. It's gonna be okay, guys. All right. Okay, I wanted to show you this property that I found. It is in Douglas County, Georgia, in Villa Rica, and it's for 55K on Liberty Road. And this had, interesting verbiage. This is 3+ acres on a level lot, ample road frontage. It has scenic views, and this land is ideal for building your dream home or for recreational use. And it's in a peaceful area, yet close to local amenities, schools, and major highways. Whether you're looking to invest, develop, or enjoy the natural surroundings, this property provides plenty of space for a variety of possibilities. Look at that. You see the verbiage that I'm looking for? And I didn't see too many homes nearby, not too many neighbors. You're not in a subdivision. It looks pretty promising. You have power nearby. I like it. Let me know what you think. All right, Zillow said that this property has been on Zillow for 13 days, so not too long. This is on unimproved land. It's 3 acres. The price is right. Again, you may have to start small. A lot of people looking at this property. So Douglasville or Villa Rica is about, I would say, it could be 30 minutes to an hour from Atlanta, depending on how, I would say an hour. So not too bad. And it's straight down 20 going west, as you can see. Not too bad. So let's see what this property is looking like on Liberty Road. So this is the street view, Liberty Road. The house is somewhere over there, over here. Not too many homes around, surrounding you. So this is what the highway is right there, 20, not too far away. I don't know how far down because it doesn't have a address, but it's coming up around this vicinity. So just wanted you all to see what it looks like, street view. And Not too bad. Let's see the satellite view. I wonder what that is over there. Maybe a school. Sometimes they have school buses parked in certain areas. Could be a business. Not too bad. Lots of trees. Maybe it's like in an industrial area. You see like another one. And the zoning may be less restricted in those areas to build. So again, you may have to start somewhere. So what do you all think? Douglas County, Georgia. A lot going on. You may see you're away from, these homes, but it's a lot going on over here, but not too bad. It still has a lot of land, a lot of trees in certain areas. Okay, let's look at the lot line. Just looking at some numbers. Liberty Road is here, so it's somewhere over here. What do you all think? Could be not too bad. 78 is here. Looks pretty good. Boggs Road. Alright, so we are on Talbert. Trying to see where. That's Georgia 61. Villa Rica. So this would be the road to your property. SR 61. Let's go this way. It's like you're rural, but you're still not too far from civilization. Not sure if you want to be this close near a highway. All right, so we are on Liberty Road. Not too bad. Let's see. Looks like they have some mobile homes. Did y'all see that? This is a mobile home. Maybe you can develop a community, a tiny home community here. Oh, look at they have some sheds for sale. Look at that, ready for you. So cool. Let's go down there. Look at that. So cool. That was Talbert where we just came from. Okay, let's see. Look at this, y'all. Isn't that cool? I love it. It's like it's calling us. This is cool. I love it. Looks like they got some kind of construction going on. Not too far from a plaza. It's cool, y'all. So far, so good. All right, so I am continuously walking and I am on Liberty Road. This is in Villa Rica. It's very nice. We did see some sheds on Talbert and West Liberty. So this is kind of where the property is. We saw the power line when we did the aerial view and satellite view. So now we're actually over there where the property is. Not too many neighbors. 2-lane road. Lots of power grid on Liberty Road. It looks promising. Not too many neighbors. I didn't see. This is the first house I'm seeing since I've been walking on Liberty Road. So you may have to go on a few neighbors' home to let them know, hey, I want to develop a tiny home community and get there okay. And the homes don't look that large. And we saw some mobile homes on the other side. So this is promising. Okay, let's look and see what restaurants are nearby. So from Liberty Road, there's a Waffle House. There's a Brothers Bar Steakhouse, 4.5 stars. Oh, their menu is on Facebook. Bah, bah, bah. The Olive Tree. Okay, let's see what they have. Ooh, yummy. I don't do lasagna, but it doesn't look bad. When I used to do lasagna, wow, that looks pretty good. Caprese salad, caprese. Mmm, crab cake. Mmm. Minestrone, minestrone. Ooh, salads, let's see. Basic. Oh, falafel salad. That's You don't find that too many places. Nice. Garbanzo beans. Okay. Very, very nice. Okay, let's look at Gabe's downtown. What you got, Gabe? Oh, Gabe has doesn't have a website anymore. Chat and Chew. Let's see. Oh, Trading Post. Okay, what's going on? An IHOP. Okay, not too bad, right? It's got some Mexican, lots of Waffle Houses. Oh, Japanese steakhouse. Let's see. 5 miles. Okay, basic hibachi. Okay, so not too bad. Let's look at some hospitals. Let's see. Okay, Guthrie Family Practice is 9 minutes away. Okay, Tanner 4.1. So it's not too far. This is good. West, this is the house, and you're not too far from hospitals nearby. So many options. Wellstar, Higgins General, Vanderbilt University. This is good for, in my opinion, a lot of people that are aging. You just never know. Even young people these days. So hospitals, let's see about grocery stores. Everything's about 9 minutes away. So Walmart, Supercenter, wow, Publix, Food Depot. So everything, you name it. So very good, very good. All right, let's ask Madam Google, are tiny homes legal in Douglas County? Tiny homes can be a solution for homeless people. I agree. It's unfortunate, but what's going on in our country, you may have some increased homelessness if people are losing their jobs, their good government jobs, for no rhyme or reason, no type of disciplinary actions. It's so unreal. So this may be the solution. People may need to retire early, and I don't even know if Social Security is safe. So this gives us hope, Douglas County. Let me know what you think. This property is promising. Give me a thumbs up if you would live in Douglas County, Georgia. Thank you all for stopping by. Talk to y'all later. Bye.